Kosi Nation, hello good people, welcome to Two News Sport. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, and follow us on TikTok. But first, we're going to make this video short. I'm going to start by talking about these three youngsters, McCarthy, Mabaso, Batmani. These are very good youngsters. These are very good youngsters, but the only problem that we have in Kaizer Chiefs, we have our coach that always changing players, changing formation. They don't rely on one team. At least make one team that we're going to rely on. If we have a problem, we can just patch. But the only problem now is we're going to see this face next week, and then next week we are going to see this face. The only players that they don't change a lot is defense. At least we have seen Umakati playing several games. The only problem that happened, it was because of our yellow cards. And then Vilagazi naye, we see Vilagazi is playing a very good game all the time, but the only bad games that he plays, it's only when they're playing him as a right winger. But when they're playing as number 10 Vafetu, Vilagazi is always the best. So the only thing that Kaizer Chiefs coaches need to do is to play him, at least give him 3 games zilandelelana bafowethu, or even 4 games zilandelelana without at least you can replace him on the second half when you see which now he's tired, he has worked very hard, maybe might 70 minutes, then you can take him out. But at least start him in all games and then you replace him mazithi 70 minutes ajwayele umfana ukudlala, because manje the way abamenza ngakhona bamenza inkomo umfana akasakhona ukudlala. And then uVelebhayi naye, he is always on the bench. We see Pulemoti, they say he's good in defending, but what are we defending when we are playing against Stellenbosch? We are not defending anything. Play uVelebhayi, let us see which usiphathele, and then we can judge him. Bring Abo Chislet on the bench bafethu, on the team. Let's see how they play, because we have heard a lot of stories, Chislet that, but they don't play him. We keep on losing. So what's the use of keeping him there and then he's not playing? Because we are playing against Stellenbosch on the 24. We need to show a character Kaizer Chiefs. We need to bring that identity Kaizer Chiefs.